The Vivo Nex was announced earlier this month, and if you'll recall, it has some pretty incredible design aspects. The screen takes up over 90% of the front of the phone, and despite that, it still manages to offer everything you'd expect from a smartphone. However, instead of using a notch to house the camera, Vivo instead opted to use a pop-up selfie camera. Generally speaking, modern smartphones rarely ever use mechanical parts like this, especially in such a big way. With that in mind, many have been genuinely curious how the company managed to pull it off, and the answer is actually really cool. My Fix Guide tore down a Vivo Nex unit and revealed a lot of its hidden secrets, such as the in-display fingerprint sensor, its vibration-driven earpiece speaker, and more. Most interestingly, though, is how the pop-up camera works. A small spiral stepper motor placed next to the camera module within the phone drives it up and down, with a spring holding the camera in place to cushion it against outside forces. This spring will likely help protect the camera from accidentally opening in your pocket, or perhaps even some light drops. Apparently, the cost of this module is pretty high. The Vivo